like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV po.
Annyeonghaseyo mga ka-anyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Twice Dayon. Only here on Anyong Chiga Update! Twice Dayon confirmed to debut as an actress with Ha Seok-jin. It was reported on May 2nd by Sports Donga that Dayon received an offer to star in the film Sprint. JYP Entertainment responded on the reports and said she has been cast for the project and she is preparing for filming. Sprint will be directed by Lee Seung-ho. It is a heartwarming sports film. Ha Seok-jin will play the role of Kang Guyo, who broke Korea's 100-meter track record for the first time in 30 years, but will suddenly felt that running is no longer enjoyable. Sprint will start filming in May. That's it mga ka-anyong. Are you very excited to watch Dayon as an actress? Comment your thoughts below.
Ayan, then please like and subscribe sa Anong Sayo TV ko.